young Harry Muller. Something to remember.
Where has that book gone? More guests. Welcome, welcome. I am Professor Albus Dumbledore, headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Now, as you probably know, this is one of the schools where young people come to study the magical arts. For centuries, Hogwarts has educated scores of young men and women, many of whom have gone on to distinguish themselves as fine witches and wizards. A few, it's true, have strayed to the dark side. Once a young boy named Tom Riddle stood precisely where you stand now. Of course, these days, he's best known by another name, Lord Voldemort. The name alone strikes fear in good witches and wizards everywhere. And his hatred of muggles is widely known. But do not fear. You're well protected while here. I've personally cast a few enchantments and spells specifically intended to ensure your safety. But should you ever find yourself in danger, I'll tell you what I tell all young boys and girls who pass through Hogwarts. There comes a time when all of us must make a choice between what is right and what is easy. Here's hoping you choose correctly. Now then, you're about to enter the Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom. As we are currently without a Defense Against the Dark Arts professor, the position has proven perilous. Professor Binns, our long-standing and long-deceased history of magic professor, will, for your enjoyment, condense hundreds of years of Hogwarts history into a few short hours. Enjoy your stay with us. Oh, and should you happen upon a dragon whilst here, please alert a member of staff and run. Not necessarily in that order. Thank you.
What's your suggestion?
Keep it down, you two. This will work fine if you stop bickering.
Excuse me, we thought some of you might be looking for a way to escape Professor Binns' lecture. If you're not, you meant to.
Not that the subject isn't fascinating. Personally, I'd recommend Bathilda Badger's Hogwarts history.
No one else has read that book.
For your information, it happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive on Hogwarts.
Also has to be dead boring.
As is Professor Binns, very boring.
Exceptionally dead. He's a ghost. He fell asleep in front of the classroom fire. Woke up the next day to teach and left his body behind.
He's still very sound on history, though.
And as an added bonus, he can enter the classroom through the blackboard.
Anyway, we thought you might rather watch a game of Quidditch than listen to Binns, but we'll have to sneak you out of the castle and down to the pitch, and we reckon the best way of doing that was to fly you there.
All you have to do is follow me to the room of requirement, and I'll manage it from there. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. Charm I learned from a world-class Quidditch player.
Hermione's famous for it.
Yes. Meteorologics, Recanto.
I was just about to do that.
Remember, meet Hermione in the room of requirement.
See, Ron, everything worked out perfectly.
Don't worry, there's room for all at the match. If I weren't so busy, I'd ask some of you to carry my picture down to the stands. My house never stopped talking about Potter's Quidditch skills. I'd really rather see for myself.
Your journey is about to start, but safely you must go. And so the Hogwarts sorting hat tells all you need to know. These benches are not safe for you if you are still too small. You must be more than goblin-sized, 48 inches tall. Now rid yourself of objects that might poke or scratch or fall. Take jewelry, cell phones, all loose change and stow them, one and all. To keep your treasures safe and sound, smart lockers are supplied. Gringotts made and wizard-proofed for all you need to hide. And now, a warning. Do not ride if flying makes you queasy. If pregnant or else sore in back or neck, then leave. It's easy. You'll travel far. You're very near. The waiting has been long, but smoking, drinking, eating, wine and wine are very wrong. Now, thank you for listening. My safety lesson's done. We hope you live to tell the tale. And most of all, have fun.
Alright, say observatory. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Hang on tight! Ron and Harry will meet you outside!
Come on, he did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside! Sorry about that. Those dates can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week anyway.
Hey, you lot! Come see the dragon, have you?
Right. When did I reach the Quidditch pitch? Look out! Look out!
your stowed belongings, lest you want them confiscated by Mr. Filch.